In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post items on Facebook Marketplace 2022, step-by-step instructions. Let's start by signing in to Facebook. You can use the mobile app, which is the easiest for taking and uploading photos, or the website if you're on a computer. Once you're in, head to Marketplace. On mobile, tap the menu icon and look for Marketplace. If it's not immediately visible, use the search bar and type Marketplace to pull it up quickly. Inside Marketplace, tap Create New Listing. You'll see several choices. For most products, choose Item for Sale. There are other categories like vehicles, properties for rent, or jobs, but stick with Item for Sale unless what you're listing clearly fits one of those. Next, add your photos. Upload 1 to 10 real pictures of the item. Use bright, even lighting, a clean background, and show multiple angles. Include close-ups of any labels, features, or wear so buyers know exactly what they're getting. Real clear photos build trust and help your listing stand out. Now fill in the item details. Start with a descriptive title, like brand new electric fan, never used, so buyers immediately understand what you're offering. Set your price. It's smart to set it a little higher than your bottom line to leave room for polite negotiation. Choose the most accurate category so the right buyers find your listing, and select the condition. New, like new, good, or fair. Write a helpful description. Include the condition, the size, brand, or model, any issues or missing parts, and an optional reason for selling. Be honest and straightforward. For example, good condition, no issues. Used only for 2 months, selling because I have an extra unit. Clear descriptions reduce back and forth and build buyer confidence. Confirm your marketplace location or update it to the correct city or area. Accurate location helps nearby buyers discover your item and makes arranging meetups easier. Decide where to publish, post to Marketplace, and consider adding relevant local buy and sell groups for more exposure. Just make sure your listing follows group rules to avoid takedowns. Before you go live, review everything. Double check your photos, price, description, and location for accuracy. When it all looks good, tap Publish. Your item is now live and ready to be seen by buyers. Finally, respond to messages quickly in your marketplace inbox. Be polite, confirm availability, and agree on clear meetup details. Quick, friendly replies often lead to faster sales. Stay safe by meeting in well-lit public places and keeping communication inside Facebook. And that's it. You've successfully posted your item on Facebook Marketplace.